Hello friends, now let us continue with the factors disturbing social health. You can see mental stress. So competition has increased. So wherever you go there is a lot of competition for education, employment, business due to increasing population. So population has increased so much that no matter where you go there is always competition. And children are facing a lot of problems like loneliness, mental stress due to reasons like nuclear family. So mother and father both are going for jobs and the children are alone. So loneliness is a very big problem. Earlier, grandmother, grandfather used to be at home. But nowadays what is happening? The mother and father and the child are at home. Out of that, the child goes to school. When he comes to school, there is nobody at home. Only mother and father both go for work. So boys enjoy concessions from their domestic duties, while girls have compulsion for some pretext that should get used to it. So boys are getting excessive freedom. They can roam anywhere, they can do whatever they like. And on the other hand, girls have a lot of restrictions. Girls are facing a lot of problem. So they are always under stress. So if you see, there is a lot of discrimination between girls and boys. Okay, so if the brother is there, he'll get good education, good food, good opportunities. If the girl is there, his sister will get less opportunities. Okay, so again in adolescent, in the society, adolescent girls are facing a lot of problems like there is inequality, there is teasing, molestation. Okay, they are not safe. So if we say that the girls, if they are roaming around at night, it's not safe for them. So they are always under stress, and this is affecting the social health of children. Nowadays, everyone has to face stress due to increasing disorder, crime, and violence. At the same time, people looking at the fast and easy way of making money. So many times these criminals, they take advantage of people's uh, vulnerabilities, and then what they do, they make a scapegoat of them. Okay, scapegoat means what? They just rob them of money, rob them of some things. Okay, so deception is there. Then addiction. Now you go anywhere, you are always under stress. But when a person is addicted to some kind of intoxicating drugs or alcohol, he feels nice. But remember, it is going to affect the body in the long run. So peer group influence is there. Adolescents are always in the company of their friends, and they don't like what their parents are saying. So children in the early age, they try upon tobacco, cigarette, gutka, alcoholic drinks, drugs and all, because their friends are doing it. And when there is a lot of pressure, they have to do it. And if they don't do, they fall out of the society. But remember, these drugs are very dangerous. They affect the nervous system, muscle system, heart, and they are known to cause cancer. So it's very dangerous for us to take these substances. Carcinogenic effect of tobacco containing substance on mouth and lungs are there. Now there are incurable diseases like factors like ignorance towards people with incurable diseases like AIDS, TB, leprosy, mental disorders, as well as old person leads to increase in old age homes, and such factors may cause harm to the society. Okay, so people have some kind of diseases, for example leprosy, TB, AIDS, so they are not welcome in the house. Okay, so they face a lot of stress. Now, have you seen the person with drugs, liquor, loitering in dirty places? So, if you see human beings, what a pitiful condition has happened. What a condition that so intelligent person, he drinks alcohol, he is not able to walk properly. He gets into drugs and he spoils his life. So it's very dangerous. Liquor is produced from alcohol obtained by fermentation of substances. However, if the process is done in wrong way, poisonous liquor is produced. Now, this poisonous liquor can kill a person within a day. Within few minutes, the person loses consciousness and dies. So, poisonous liquor affects and it proves fatal at many times. Efficiency of nervous system, brain, liver, as well as lifespan is decreasing due to alcoholism. So if you drink alcohol, your lifespan reduces. Brain development in adolescent is hindered due to alcoholism. Memorization, learning and all becomes slow. You cannot think rationally. So person can face a lot of social, mental, family illness with physical illness for a very long time. Now here you can see the pictures. Look at the pictures carefully. Earlier what used to happen? That the children used to play outside in 1998, and in 2017 they are playing inside. So earlier mother used to call the children inside, come for study. Now they are saying go out to play, because the children are continuously at home. And when they are at home continuously, what is happening? They are developing different types of diseases, different types of problems. So nowadays, excessive, unnecessary, irrational use of modern technology and communication medium is a sensitive issue. Many children are facing this problem. They have eye problems, their head is paining because they stare at mobile phones for a long time. They see the TV for a very long time, and that is causing a lot of problem. So persons spending time with cell phone for several hours are usually unaware of the surrounding. This is also sort of addiction and endangering the social health. Various physical problems like tiredness, headache, insomnia. Insomnia means sleeplessness. You don't get proper sleep. Forgetfulness, you start forgetting things. And there is pains in joints, problems of vision, you can't see properly. That is because of mobile phones. So these radiation, they affect the children more. They penetrate the bones and affect the children. And that's why it is necessary to keep the mobile phone away from children. Person continuously using mobile or computer, internet becomes solitary. So he becomes selfish, he is self-centered, he is not concerned with the society. So even if somebody is having pain or they are happy, he is not concerned. Chronic effect of such tendency. So the person becomes solitary, he lives alone, he is not able to talk with the relatives, to have relationships with the relatives, and he becomes self-centered, he just thinks about himself, selfish. Chronic effect of such tendencies, they are not ready to help the people who are in need, and they also don't get help. So children who watch the cartoon films may imitate the characters. If the cartoon character is doing something, the children may also imitate. Sometimes it may be wrong, it may be not good for their health. So tendency and behavior of children who play games, virtual car wars and all becomes negative. So they are not concerned even if there is economic loss, or even if there is problems. So sometimes it can prove fatal also. So along with some useful purposes, huge information is available on internet, and sometimes some of the videos, they are not good for children to view, and government has put some regulations on it, website and all are banned, but then also these things are happening. So there is increase in news of death by drowning in ocean, falling in deep valleys, under the train, catching the cell phone selfie. So selfie on the road, they put selfie, and because of that accidents can happen. So there is increasing competition to upload videos of road accidents. So people, they are not concerned with what is happening. Okay, how to save people, that is not happening. Instead what is happening? People are just thinking about themselves, and they are going on a wrong way. So video clips of parents threatening hitting children not studying, as per Vaishar, domestic helpers beating the children are very common. So that is happening. People are forgetting what is important, what should be done, what is right, what is wrong, because they're just selfish. So person indulging in destructive behavior is always under stress and is acting because of there is a bursting of stress. He is under stress, so he want to release that stress, and that is causing mental illness. So person indulging in self is not aware of the world around him, what is happening around. He is not having any understanding. And then there are some people who commit suicide, and before committing suicide they send some videos. That is very bad. Now cyber crime, this is a new type of crime that has happened. So if you give your PAN card, Aadhaar card and all, bank has these details. So sometimes one call comes and you give these details to unknown person. So he may take out all the money from your bank. So this is happening. So do not disclose your PIN and ATM number to people, otherwise it is going to happen. Sometimes you buy something online and you are deceived by the product because it is not the one that you have ordered. Something else inferior quality can come to you. So confidential information government institutes and companies is obtained from the internet, and then it is used for hacking, and fake accounts are made, and false information, teasing of the girls, exploiting them financially happens. Misuse or illegal sale of written material, photos, software and all that can happen. Electronic media, it is also misused, okay, and spreading vulgar pictures, inflammatory statements that can affect the society, that can happen. Many emails come, they also hack the information from the computer. So it is very important, whatever is unwanted, unknown person, you do not open that email. Okay, all the above mentioned incidents are example of cyber crime. So this is called as cyber crime, and government, the police has a special unit called as cyber crime unit, and that is investigating these cyber crimes. So IT Act 2000, it is act enacted in 17th October 2000, amended in 2008. So if anybody does this cyber crime, they can be imprisoned 3 to 5 years, 3 years and 5 lakhs fine. So they are trying to reduce these problems. Now there is stress management now. Now you know that there is stress. What you can do? First thing that you can do is talk to your family. You can join some laughter club. So here there are pictures showing the people laughing. So that reduces the stress. Okay, establishing communication with friends, peers, cousins, teachers. You can talk to your teachers, your problems. Then you can foster some hobbies like collection of some material and photography, reading, cooking, sculpture, rangoli, dancing, like that. So that will fill your mind with positive energy, and automatically negative thoughts will be neutralized. Listening to music is a very good thing. Music changes mindset. Important outdoor games you can play, that will also reduce the stress. It will improve physical activity, which will make you fit. It will inculcate discipline, interaction with others, and loneliness will go away from you. Regular exercising, massaging, visiting spa also reduces stress. So yoga is not limited only to asana and pranayam, but discipline of life. Yoga is the way of living. It is not only breathing and sitting in a particular posture. Meditation is a part of it. Meditation helps you to clear your mind. Meditation is really important. So meditation helps the students to improve concentration. So deliberate inculcation of characters like time management. So planning your duty, decision power, all these things could be cultivated. Strong personality could be made by meditation. So we have all these ways to manage stress. If you are unsuccessful, there is help also. You can go to counselors, then psychotherapist, you can go to them, go to the doctor, ask for help. Now there is unified movement against tobacco. So World Health Organization movement is there, activity, people are given guidance what you should do to go away from this tobacco. Then Salam Mumbai Foundation is there. It's an organization which empower children which are living in a slum area for their education, sports and improvement in their life. So since 2002, organization is working various school in urban and rural areas. So 200 schools and 14,000 schools rest of Maharashtra. So 200 schools in Mumbai and 14,000 in rest of Maharashtra. So they are giving information to the children about tobacco, and they wanted to make it tobacco free. Now government has helplines also. Children can contact them, whatever problems they have they can discuss. Okay, so all these things can help a person to get rid of stress. Thank you.